Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please don't pull fire alarms in public buildings. You can't do that. You just can't. It is not good. You will get in serious trouble, and the consequences are just as bad. So, if you pull that alarm, it goes to the panel, and then it sounds everything, and then you are in trouble. So if you are sounding them for no reason, I don't know why you're doing that, but you have to stop. Because this happened in my elementary school a lot in the past. Where kids would pull fire alarms for fun. That is not cool. Now, if there's an emergency, pull the fire alarm and grab the nearest fire extinguisher just in case. But I'm saying don't pull fire alarms for fun. Also, another thing you shouldn't do in public buildings is that you shouldn't tamper with fire alarms. So never screw or unscrew the alarm, never take the alarm off the wall, never paint the alarm, never take the strobe off the alarm, never take the horn off the alarm, never disable the horn or the strobe on the alarm, never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm, never cut power to the alarm, never smash the alarm, never do any of that. That is not good. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. Never pull fire alarms for fun, and never tamper with fire alarm equipment. Bye.